Step 7. The wise witness. Allowing things to be as they are. It has been said that we see things as we are rather than how they really are. Your sense of what is real at any given moment is shaped by your perceptions and reactions as an individual and is mostly driven at an unconscious level. Every waking moment of your day gets filtered through your own internal reference system of your beliefs, core values, and past experience, all stored in your body's neural pathways and cellular memory. Because the very nature of reality is so subjective, it can be useful to view things from a more detached, neutral perspective. Detached observation enables you to respond more calmly and appropriately to events rather than react blindly to them. It is something you probably already do naturally from time to time, when you instinctively take a step back from situations to get the bigger picture. This next step helps develop a part of you that is sometimes called the wise witness or observer. Developing your own wise witness will help free you from being hostage to your own internal map of the world. It is easy to make the mistake of seeing habitual ways of thinking and behaving as your unchangeable personality, which can lead you to get caught in limiting and sometimes damaging thought and behavior patterns. In reality, you are not set in stone. You have infinite potential and capacity to reorganize the way in which you function in the world. Old, outdated habits can be replaced in your internal hardwiring with new, desirable ones. Your wise witness will help you to do this. The following meditation is about using the wise witness to observe your feelings, sensations, and thought patterns as they arise in the moment without reacting to them or judging them. You see them as part of what the moment is made up of. Just like the sounds around you and the air on your face, they are not the whole picture. Meditation on allowing things to be as they are. Allow your eyes to comfortably close. And allow the weight of your body to be supported. Become aware of the sensation of the air making contact with the surface of your body. Noticing it's just happening in this moment. No more, no less. Let it be there. Become aware of the sounds around you, near and in the distance. Notice they're just happening in this moment, no more, no less. Let them be there. Become aware of your thoughts, coming and going. Notice they're just happening in this moment, no more, no less. Become aware of how you are feeling. Allow yourself to notice without judging, letting things be as they are. Breathe into any feelings and sensations as they arrive. And let them soften. Notice they're just happening in this moment, no more, no less. And let them go. Notice what happens when you allow things to be as they are. day-to-day awareness practice. Practice the following each day as many times as you can. Pause. Step back with your mind from people, situations, and endeavours. Allow some space between yourself and what you are involved in. Notice what happens when you do this. Pause. Step to one side of yourself and observe your feelings, thoughts, and sensations as they arise. Breathe into them and let them soften. Just see them as things that are happening in the moment without letting them ride you. Be curious in your observation. Notice what happens when you think and act a particular way, and what happens when you think and act another way. Become aware of self-limiting patterns of behavior and thinking. Put something else in their place instead. Do something different for a change. Notice what works and what doesn't work for you. Begin to recognize that you have choices.